All right, what's up guys? Greetings from the cabin, and today's a very important day. Today's the first day of riding season, so we're gonna head up to the mountains. It's currently -5 Fahrenheit and cold as sh**. Let's go. Brandon's getting the day started right with a little hair of the dog.
Keep you warm at -5.
All right, for all you lower 48ers, snow machining is Alaska lingo for snowmobiling. So in case you're wondering, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna be right near the base of Denali, which is the highest peak in North America. So it should be pretty cool, and it's a bluebird day. All right, we're off to the races. Gassing up.
See, it looks like it leaves just after it turns still.
All right, we here. We're gonna try a totally different way in than we normally do. There's like a super long 20-mile trail to the mountains that we normally take, and it's really bumpy. And today we're just gonna try something new and explore a trail we've never tried. Let's go get lost. All right, let's hit the trail. There's a phone out here apparently. I wouldn't rely on it to make any calls. We definitely got early season conditions going on, so there's some weird like dips in the creek and some bare grass and stumps and things to look out for, so being a little bit more careful than usual, but it's pretty good for a first ride. About 10 miles in from the parking lot, and the snow's definitely starting to get better, so got some weird open water. Do you think this is gonna get any better? Let's turn back. All right, so we got a little turned around. We went up that creek and it just really wasn't the right way to go. It started getting super choppy and big divots and stuff. We decided to turn around and take a little bit more direct path. It's super cool just exploring and trying to find new ways out here. It's a pretty wild day just exploring in the mountains. It's pretty cool. All right guys, we're taking our first break. We've been riding for a few hours and we finally made it to the main intersection with the big trail. But we definitely discovered a new way to get out here, which is awesome. Snow's better than expected, temps are better than expected, and we're having a good time. All right, we made it up into the hills, so now it's finally time to have some fun. All right, we've been ripping and rapping, bripping and brapping, flipping and flapping. The light's starting to get low, start working our way back. We might try an alternate route up and over this little pass that we've never tried before, but exploring a new way home when it's getting dark is risky business. It's a beautiful evening, but it's definitely going to be dark for our ride out, so we got to make a choice if we want to stay the bumpy, super long trail all the way back, or if we take the route that we came in on and risk getting lost back in those woods. It's definitely a new route, and it's not well marked, and but it's a way smoother ride, so I think we'll probably pick the adventurous route and try to get home the way we came and hope for the best. So we made it to the trail junction, and it's starting to get dark, so I just used the InReach Mini to send a text, say that we're going to be late, but we're good to go, and so no need to worry on her side. Super cool. I love this thing. All right, boys, you ready to hit it?
Yeah, let's rock.
All right. All right, we back, we loaded up. Got the truck warming up. We're tired.
It was a good day. Maybe grab some grub.
Yeah, a big old hot meal.
Maybe some hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa actually sounds good. All right, epic day, got back. Great way to kick off the season, so let's go back to the cabin.
Good people, good times.
Good people, good times. All right, we're rolling up to get some grub at Sheep Creek Lodge, which is a super cool kind of like log cabin lodge.
That'd be the one that they use for a spitter that you think about.
Oh, right.
How you feeling, Steve-O?
Tired.
Outer shots all day.
Cheers, boys. Sauna going. Pretty stoked about my new sauna, and I just put a new wood stove in it. It's all cedar on the inside. Let's see if we can get it nice and hot tonight. Use some birch bark and some kindling. All right, so it's 4 degrees in the sauna right now. Hopefully in a couple hours it'll be more like 204. See how it goes. All right, we're gonna let that sauna warm up. Long day riding, capped off with a super hot sauna, and it's what the doctor ordered. All right, well, that was an absolutely epic way to kick off the season. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Don't forget that all the music in these videos is totally original, written by me and my good friend Forrest Wilson. So check him out at Forrest Wilson Guitarist on YouTube, and we'll see you guys on the next video.